Okay. Whoops. Oh, that doesn't look real good. There we are. Little farts. Look what they did. They dug a hole under my rug. Now he wants to get back in. Okay, this is after school frolic. This is my bedroom. Who's that? Who's that? They go in the shower. Okay, boys. Okay. Well, that's nice. Oh, what can I get into now? This is what they do in the morning when I take a shower. They don't drink the drain, they drink my leg. My little girl. Okay, hang on. Oh, did Mom call me? Who's this? Who's this? Kids? There he is. There's the baddest boy. He gets in the cat pan when it's clean and buries himself up. But when there's turds in there and stuff, he goes in there and does his own little poops. Kids! Oh, here's another one. Where'd you come from? Little feet. Quincy! Where are you? Oh, he's left. Quincy! Shut, man. There he is. Yahoo! Okay. This is the homestead. And I'm missing 3, but... Yahoo! Look who's there. Oh, there's a cat. And there's a dog. Oh, he's going to save him for later. I'll slap him. That's right. Well, you know who that is. Quincy! Come on. What deviltry can I get into tonight? Oh, oh. Stand by. Whoop. He's back. Let's do talk. He's a chatter. Don't you hurt him now. Don't you hurt him. They're just the sweetest things. Oh, somebody else is here. There he is. Oh, diggity diggity. Once again, the dog. The other 3 are downstairs. There's cats. 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 Ferrets. Oh, here's one. Where's your brother? Oh, they're underneath the covers. Oh, there's one. Oh, I just stepped on one. Oh, come here. Come here. Oh, I'm sorry. There he is. There's Star. I'm sorry. Come on, you want to get him with the kids? Yeah, right. So here's the two bad boys. Oh, they're so. Oh, there's another one. Oops. There he is. Oh, he's the baddest boy. Houdini. Oh, look at him. He's so comfortable. Look at him. Oh, is that me? Oh, that's good. She doesn't want you there. What a chatterbox. Okay, boys, until everybody else can... Oh, there's the tunnel.